I have such a sweet tooth, and one of my all-time favorite desserts to make from Ninja for birthdays, holidays, or really just about any occasion is their cookies and cream cake. Baking this with Steam Crisp technology on the Ninja Foodi SmartLid is amazing because it uses both steam and convection at the same time. This means that you are going to get incredible results that are both moist and fluffy. So let me go ahead and show you how to make this delicious treat. To get started, pour 3 cups of water directly into the pot. Then spray the bottom of a Ninja multi-purpose pan or an 8-inch round baking pan with cooking spray and dust with flour. To make the cake, mix together 1 box of white cake mix, 3/4 cup of water, half a cup of canola or vegetable oil, and 3 large eggs in a large bowl. Then, pour the batter into your prepared pan. Place the pan on the bottom layer of the deluxe reversible rack in the lower position. Then, place the rack in the pot. Close the lid and move the slider to Steam Crisp. Now, select Steam Bake. Set the temperature to 285 degrees Fahrenheit and set the time to 25 minutes. Press Start, Stop to begin cooking. When cooking is complete, check to make sure it is fully baked by inserting a wooden toothpick into the middle of the cake. If it comes out clean, remove the rack with the pan and let the cake cool for at least 1 hour. When the cake has cooled, spread 1 container of whipped vanilla frosting over the cake and sprinkle with crushed chocolate sandwich cookies. 4 cookies should do the trick, but you can always add more. This cake is so simple yet so tasty thanks to the Ninja Foodi SmartLid. To find this recipe and even more meal inspiration, be sure to visit ninjatestkitchen.com.